Today 7 October, Droppy daily combo. Today's daily combo. At first I will click pair. Now select, click new moderator and open. One card open. Now I will select invote and search second card. I will select second card. Now click. Now open AI integration. Second card open. I will search third number of card. Third number card I will select. Now click zero gas fee protocol. Open. 3 card open, claim price. You looking. Now 3 card open, Droppy daily combo.